So I want to quickly touch on what I used to use prior to this new full aluminum skid plate. So back in the day, I spoke with Daryl Rath, and he clued me in on this little trick that they used to use for the Quad Train Challenge. And what they did is they would run the stock plastic skid, and they would add in the center of the machine an aluminum piece of material that would take the brunt of the impact. So, okay. So to understand how this went together, this is this plastic skid plate. This is the top. This is the underside. The clean side is the underside, go figure. And this is how this skid plate would fit. It would sandwich in between the frame and the plastic skid plate. And so the plastic would absorb the initial impact, and it would allow the machine to slide. However, it wouldn't, the metal, the aluminum was there to prevent the impact from stretching out the plastic and then doing any damage to the frame. So that's how Team Arctic used to do their skid plates, at least for the first season of the Quad Terrain Challenge.